For the past week, I have not felt like myself. I haven't felt put together. I haven't felt pretty. I haven't felt like Aisha. So let's get it together. Let's do a full at-home maintenance vlog. Hey girls, what's up? It's your girl Aisha and we are back again for another video. In this video, we're gonna go through my current at-home maintenance routine, the things that I do to make me feel and look my best. Let's start with hair. So first, I did my wash routine the night before, and which is why you guys saw me looking like I didn't touch my hair in days at the beginning of this video. But it's just because I washed my hair, and to be honest, I wasn't feeling in the mood to blow dry it. So now we're gonna put it down in braids because we are going to be doing a behind the hairline frontal install. And what that just means is that instead of gluing down the frontal, we're gonna sew it down behind my natural hairline, which is gonna give it a more realistic and natural look. So the two braids that I put down in the front is the hair that I'm gonna be leaving out. And the rest of the hair is gonna be sewn down into this pattern that I've done in a few of my vlogs before. Well, actually, in a few of my tutorials before. So if you want to get a full detail of that, go ahead and check out some of my tutorials. I'll link them down below. This braid down is quick and easy. This is the braid down that I usually use if I'm doing any sort of sewing at all. This wig that I'm about to put on is an old frontal wig. I have had it for a while and I just turned it into a bob. Now I will always be able to reinstall this, which is why I love this method. All I have to do is take it down, rewash my hair, rebraid it, whatever I want to do, and put it right back in. So I'm going to go ahead and sew it down first, right above my ear. This is going to hold it down on both sides. Whatever I do on this side, I did it on the other side as well. And then I'm going to go ahead and put some parts in the hair and sew it down in places that you won't be able to see so that I can make it a little bit more secure and that I don't have to worry about it coming off one day if I decided to do a cartwheel. Yeah. Safety first. Now that it's all sewed down, I'm gonna go ahead and blend my part, and as you can see, it is blending superficiously. That's not a word, but whatever, y'all know what I mean. It looks good. Now we're gonna go ahead and blend the leave out. I did use a hot comb to do this, but on low heat because we don't need no heat damage over here. And yes, I use a heat protectant for those of you who are wondering. I will try my best to link everything that I use in this video down below. Now that I am done sewing it down and blending it in, it looks amazing. I look great, I look wonderful, and I will say that a bob is my signature look. Okay, hair is done, but we still gotta do the eyebrows and the lashes and the nails, so let's go. For my eyebrows, when I'm doing them at home, I just use a razor and clean it up. That's it, y'all. I don't do anything magnificent or anything like that. I just, again, use a razor, fill them in, and keep them in a clean shape. Occasionally, I'll go get them waxed every few months in between me kind of keeping them up at home. But y'all, this 24-hour brow setter gel from Benefit is lovely. I absolutely love this brow gel. Like, it is the best brow gel that I've ever used, hands down. Now that I've shaped them up, I'm just filling them in with my Morphe brow pencil. I believe this is the shade Java. And then I go ahead and just kind of outline them with some concealer. I use the NARS and the Bobbi Brown concealer. Again, I'll link everything down below so you guys can see the exact shades that I'm using. But this just gives it a contour and clean look. I love them. They came out great. And now time for the lashes. Now, I don't usually do lash extensions. If you know, I'm a mascara girl, but I decided to make myself feel extra pretty and put some lashes on. These lashes are from Amazon and they did hold up pretty well. Again, I'll link them down below. Now that the eyebrows are done, lashes are done, let's do nails. Now normally I am a Gel X girly, but I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, that Gel X is not doing well for my nails, so we're gonna keep it cute and we're gonna do press-ons. Now these press-ons were literally, I believe they were like $9, y'all. Absolutely love these press-ons. These are also from Amazon and I can literally do my nails so many times, y'all. It is crazy. I love these press-ons. I did go ahead and wipe my nails down with acetone just to make sure that they were clean and ready for the press-ons. I used the cuticle softener to do my cuticle, and I got this softener and this tool that I'm using right here from Sally's. You could probably find them on Amazon. I will try to find them and link them down below. This nail drill that I'm using is just to make sure that the press-ons stay longer. You can also use a nail filer. You don't have to have a nail drill to do this, but this just helps for the nails to stay on longer. Ladies, if you take nothing from this video, take that you can feel your absolute best at home without breaking the bank. I know that sometimes maintenance can be this glamorous, expensive thing, but it honestly is just the little things that you do to make yourself feel and look your best. You don't have to spend hundreds of dollars to do so. So make yourself an at-home maintenance day. And just like that, the nails are done. Y'all, it literally took me 5 minutes to apply these, like literally 5 minutes. I went over it with some top coat. This is a gel top coat, so you will need a UV lamp if you're going to use a gel top coat. But again, you can get those from Amazon. Mine that I got was not too expensive and it does what it needs to do. And just like that, it's giving nail salon at home and only 10 minutes long to do. And there you have it, ladies. Hair done, nails done, everything. I'm playing. No, but for real. Hair's done, lashes done, eyebrows done, nails done, and I feel great. Thanks for watching, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye.